and good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders all around the world. This is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube, and this is Forex Trading Course 101. Remember, everybody, today we are going to start with the last subject from the beginner module. So we are going to start to talk about candlestick formations, and we are going to end next week. We are going to end the beginner module. Okay, so if this is your first time with us and you don't understand what is happening, how we know so much stuff, right? We are a genius, you know. Please go back. Yes, I'm joking. Please go back on the Ducascopy YouTube webinar page and start to watch the modules, starting from the basic module, market structure, lesson number 1. Okay, everybody? So next week we are going to end the beginner module. If you have any questions about trend line, support, resistance, pivot points, and starting from today, everybody, we are going to talk about candlestick formations. Now it's the time. Because in about 2 weeks we are going to start with the intermediate module. Okay? Hello Akos, how are you? Hello Romar, hello Vincent, hello Salbakti, hello Miguel, hello Zuelius, hello Time to Shine Sir, and hello VA Sir, how are you? Everybody, we are trying to build a strategy and or a system that is easy for you to understand, because you need to follow your system and strategy. Then we are trying to learn about risk management and how this works inside the strategy and or a system. And time to time we are trying to learn about the psychology of trading. And what do champion traders say? Hello Christian, how are you? What do champion traders say? Champion traders say, I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. Right? A lot of you are still sending, oh, what does this mean? You are going to understand this, everybody. Don't worry. We are going to have in the future months, we are going to have psychology lessons about psychology. So don't worry about that. And remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide, and the webinars are not trading or investment advice. And also remember that I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat, everybody. And for homeworks and or questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and my LinkedIn contact. So starting from today, we are going to talk about the candlestick formations. Everybody, if you want, I can send you those 2 pictures I'm going to show you right now. Just send me an email, okay? Send me an email. You can go on the internet and write in the Google bearish candlestick formations, and you are going to find this page and others, among others, and you can write in the Google search engine bearish candlestick formations. So you are going to find those 2 pages amongst a lot of others, right? Okay, so if you don't find exactly these colors or this type, just type in the chat that, send me an email. I'm going to send you those 2 pictures. Okay? Salbakti says, are pivot points better just to use for monthly, or I should do for each time frame? Everybody, you should learn the answer to this question. How would you answer to Salbakti, everybody? How are you going to answer to Salbakti? He's asking, are pivot points better just to use for monthly, or should I also do for each time frame? Hello King, how are you? Salbakti, remember not what we learned so far, and this is one of the most important concepts, that everything that we learned so far, trend lines, highs and lows, structure, pivot point, support, resistance, and everything, not all are relevant. Time to Shine says all time frames. Miguel says you can use for all but better for monthly. Monthly better. Only monthly, because if you put all the time frames, pivot points, your chart will be littered and you won't see anything. Thank you, Romar. I agree with you. The high time frame pivot points are more relevant. Thank you, Akos. Long time frame is stronger. Thank you, Christian. So, Salbakti, as you can see, you can do everything you want, but most of the traders are saying just put the pivot points on the monthly chart, okay, and then just clone the chart and have the monthly pivot points on all the time frames, you know, because as Romar said correctly, if you put all the pivot points and support and resistance, it's going to be a mess. King says apply relevant pivot points for resistance support from the monthly to the trading time frame that suits you. Yes, sir. Everybody, if you are going to use the monthly, the weekly, the daily and the 1 hour, 2 hour chart, you should have, I mean, you can reject this what I'm telling you or accept, but if you are going to accept, you should have the monthly pivot points on all 4 time frames. Understood, my friends. Thank you very much. Thank you, Salbakti. And I'm happy, everybody, because you are learning, you know. Most of you answered. So now I have wings, you know. Passion, you are so a good teacher, you know. You are the best teacher in the world. You know. No, it's not that, don't worry. But I'm happy when I see the students got the ideas. Okay, Japanese candlesticks, the sign language of the market. What we are going to learn today. And we are going to open EuroCAD on the daily chart. EuroCAD on the daily chart. And we are going to compress EuroCAD daily chart. Okay, before we start, and we are going to jump on the weekly chart first. Okay, candlestick formations, everybody. Lesson number 1 today. Candlestick formations are the sign language of the market. Okay, and concepts. We're going to learn about the concepts. Number 1, we are going to use CF, candlestick formations, for, to time the entry. If you want, okay, there is no right or wrong, everybody. When you are building your strategy, you can use pivot point, support, resistance, you know, or not. It's up to you. When you are forming your strategy, you can use the counter trendline break or the up trendline break. It's up to you. And the candlestick formation are the same thing, you know. It's just a tool, okay, that you can use or not. But if you are going to use, Namaste Patak, how are you? If you are going to use the candlestick formations, we are going to use the candlestick formation to time the entry. What does this mean? This means that, okay, let's write this down. Time the entry. What does this mean? If I am going to use candlestick formation as a part of my entry strategy, then I will not enter without the candlestick formations. Okay. Henry the Beer, would you use the monthly pivot points even if you are trading the 30-minute, 50-minute chart? Henry, great question. What is the answer, everybody? It's a yes or no question. Henry is asking, would you use the monthly pivot points even if you are trading the 30 minutes, 50-minute chart? Everybody, let's see how much did you learn, everybody. I told you I was happy because everybody answered correctly to yes. So let's see how much did you learn. Henry is asking, would you use the monthly pivot point? Time to shine, yes. Romer, absolutely. Christian, yes. Man, what would you like? What would you want more from a day, huh? The sun is shining, the kids are healthy, and the students got the ideas. I mean, I'm going to pop a beer later. Everybody. Time to shine, yes, absolutely, yes. Yes, but it is probably too far to trade that. Akos, would you be more specific? If not, you are going to mess with Henry's head. Salbakti, yes sir. VA, yes, also we check the daily and the 4 hour. So Henry, the answer is yes. The answer is yes. Even if you trade on the 30-minute chart and the 15-minute chart, something is going to happen when the market gets in the area of the pivot point, Henry. Salbakti, yes sir. Miguel, yes, the higher time frame command the lower time frame. Thank you everybody, all of you are right. Okay, everybody, if you have questions, just type in the chat, because next week, as I said, we are going to finish with the beginner module. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going to talk about the candlestick formation. So number one, we are going to use candlestick formations to time the entry. If I'm going to use candlestick formation as a part of my entry strategy, it's just a part, it's the entry strategy, then I will not enter without the candlestick formations. This is the concept number one. Concept number two, everybody. I am going to buy, never sell the bullish candlestick formation in an uptrend, and 3, I am going to sell, never buy. I'm going to explain you this, everybody, just give me a second. I'm going to sell, never buy the bearish candlestick formations in a downtrend. Akos is saying in 30 minutes you will not reach the monthly pivot points. Akos, not true. Not true, Akos. Akos, this is not true. Look in here. Akos, look in here. This is the weekly chart. It doesn't matter. It's the same as the monthly chart. If Henry is trading here, don't worry everybody, we are here to learn, okay? Don't be shy. We are here to learn. There is no right or wrong. We are here to talk, and I'm here to explain you things. If Henry is going to trade in these areas, Akos, the 30-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, and the 1-minute chart is going to hit the pivot point. Especially when it's going from one side to the other. Henry is saying it seems that the pivot of the monthly would be too wide apart. It would have through the daily would be better. It would have through of the daily. Henry, the answer is no. And the answer is no. You need to, everybody, listen to me. If you are trading on the 15-minute chart or 5-minute chart or whatever chart, whatever, 1 minute chart if you want, and when the market is going to hit the pivot point and you don't know you are going to lose. Let's take this last reaction here. Okay, as Miguel said, the higher time frame. Let's take a look at this candle, everybody. And remember, pivot points and support and resistance are not lines, those are areas. Okay, we're going to take a look just on this. Just give it a second. So we're going to take a look just at this candle here. Okay, so we are on the weekly chart. Now I'm going to jump to the 15-minute chart, everybody. Let's wait for the software. In the meantime, time to shine. Henry the Beer, you can use the daily pivot point also, as that would be your confirmation time frame if trading on 30-minute chart. Time to shine, you are correct, but this doesn't change the thing that you are also going to have the monthly pivot point or the monthly support and resistance level. Where are we? The monthly support and resistance level where the market is going to react. Okay. Okay, we are, just give it a second, everybody. Okay, so this is the candle here. Okay, and we are on the 15-minute chart, everybody. Now, technically speaking, why did the market reverse here on the 15-minute chart, 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart, 30-minute chart? Why did the market reverse in here? As Miguel says, the higher time frame controls the smaller time frame. Akos, would you agree? Akos, my friend, would you agree that the 30-minute chart can reach the pivot point area? And it's going to reach, everybody, especially when we told you that the pivot points are made because when the market breaks from the upside down and from the downside up, the 1 second chart is going to touch the pivot point, everybody. Do you, two questions. Now, question number 1, do you understand this? And number 2, do you agree with this? I mean, you can say, no, Passion, I don't agree with you, but okay, I'm open to suggestions. Why don't you agree? I mean, if the monthly is going to push from one side to the other, this is common sense, right? Also, the 1 second or 1 minute or the 15-minute is going to push from one side to the other. And all the charts, the 15-minute chart, the 30-minute chart, the 1 hour, 2 hour, all the charts are going to react in one way or the other. You didn't read my second sentence, sir. I'm sorry, Akos. Akos, I'm sorry. Let me see the chat. Let me see the chat. I have only one sentence, Akos, from you. But if you are in the near, then yes. Oh. Akos, you said, but if you are near in the, but if you are in the near, then yes. Yes, but this doesn't change the thing, Akos. Because you said, oh, if it's far away, it's not going to reach the monthly pivot point. Still not true. Time to shine. Maybe I'm wrong. You didn't read my second sentence. I hope now this is clear. Makes sense now from what you are saying now. Understood. The monthly is strongest. Yes, sir. Because of the bullish candlestick on monthly, because of the pivot point, the market reacts. Yes, sir. Of course, read my previous sentence I just did. Akos, don't be angry with me, please. No matter the time frame. Yes, sir. Fake out from a higher time frame. Henry, would you be more specific? What are you talking about? Okay, everybody, just to be clear, if you are trading on the 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, you know, whatever chart, you know, and you are far away from the pivot point, the market can and it is going to reach the pivot point. You know, you need to be aware of that. So where are we? Okay, let's go back on the weekly chart. And everybody, I'm sorry because sometimes the communication is bad, right? You say something, I understand a different thing. But we're here to learn anyway, no problem. So concept of my entry strategy, then I will not enter without the candlestick formations. Number 2, I'm going to buy, never sell the bullish candlestick formation in an uptrend. This is for beginner traders. Number 3, I'm going to sell, never buy the bearish candlestick formation in a downtrend. And number 4, this is one that Miguel loves the most. Number 4, the CF stands for candlestick formations. The candlestick formations from the higher time frames are stronger than the candlestick formations from the lower time frames. Those are the concepts, everybody, that you are going to use if you want. Again, you can accept this, you can reject, no problem. The candlestick formations from the higher time frames are stronger than the candlestick formations from the lower time frames. And we learned this because we have the trading time frame and we have the confirmation time frame, right? So what do you think, everybody? If you have an uptrend on the 1 hour, 2 hour chart, right? And you are here and a bullish candlestick formation appears, okay, on the 1 hour. This is the most important thing today that you need to learn, everybody, if you're going to use candlestick formations. So on the 1 hour, 2 hour chart, you are going to see, and especially Henry, on the 15-minute chart, you are going to see a bullish candlestick formation, okay? But from the daily chart, you are going to see a bearish candlestick formation, which is not closed yet because we need 1 day to close the candle, okay? So the violet or the pink is daily bearish candlestick formation. Information didn't close yet. So the smaller quadrant is the 1 hour, 2 hour chart. The smaller quadrant is the 1 hour, 2 hour chart, and the bigger quadrant is the daily bearish. So you have a bullish candlestick formation on the 1 hour, 2 hour chart, and you have a bearish daily candlestick formation, which is information straight. It's a yes or no question, everybody. Would you enter buying the bullish candlestick formation with the counter trendline break, where you have the bullish candlestick formation on the 1 hour, 2 hour chart, 15-minute chart, whatever, but you have a daily bearish candlestick formation which didn't close yet? Would you buy this market? Romer says no. King says, wow, Passion, how do I use this knowledge that higher time frame candlestick formation are stronger? Don't worry everybody, we are going to talk about candlestick formations for I think 3 or 4 webinars. Romer says no. Anybody in here like the bullish candlestick formation like this? Okay, and we are going to try to identify where is the first uptrend. Okay, stopped me. Okay, now really it's failing on me. Me too. No entry. No entry in Brazil. Yes, man. Brazil is crazy. We are behind the Flintstones. Something is wrong with streaming. Yes. In Brazil we are behind the snakes, everybody. Not anymore. Okay, great. Either way, everybody, don't worry. You can, if in the case that internet shuts down, I'm going to continue and you can watch the recorded webinar. Okay. So this is the uptrend, right? This is the uptrend, and we are going to jump from the weekly to the daily. From the weekly to the daily, and we don't have the crystal ball, right? We don't have the crystal ball. Those are the candlesticks. We are back. Yes, we are. Everybody, good point, bad point. It's going to take you some time to learn how to see the candlestick formations. Okay, because the picture is theory, the live market behaves a little bit different. But as everything, it's just exercise, you know, it's just training. The more that you train, okay, the more that you train, the more you are going to spot the candlestick formations. Okay, it's going to take you some time, don't worry. Okay, so we are going to try, now we are not yet, low, high, to low, okay. Now, we have a confirmed uptrend, 2 lows and 2 highs, where the higher high and the higher low, right, is a higher high and a higher low. Okay? This lesson today, everybody, we are not going to talk about entries, okay? We are just going to try to spot the bullish candlestick formations. Okay? This is the lesson today. We are trying to identify the bullish candlestick formations. And I have a question, of course, on the other streaming platform. I was waiting for this kind of question. Passion, can I sell bearish candlestick formations in a retracement? In an up retracement? And the answer is yes, of course. Just bear in mind that we are going to have, this is a different strategy. Everybody, when you are building your strategy, you are going to define, or are you going to buy, are you going to trade the extensions, or are you going to trade the retracements, or maybe if you are going to trade both, right? Anyway, for the beginner trader, everybody, this is for the beginner trader. Passion, can I sell in an uptrend? Answer, absolutely not. Oh, but you said, I know the trader who is asking this question, everybody. You need to be careful and aware on what level are you as a trader. Everybody, if you are new to the trading, if you are new to the forex market, and if you are in the market for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and you are telling me, Passion, can I short the uptrend with the bearish? The answer is absolutely not. Yes, okay, maybe 1 year is too much, but if you have less than 6 months, everybody, the answer is no. You cannot short the bearish candlestick formations in an uptrend. Okay? Because why is that? Oh, why is that? You know, because you don't have enough experience. You need to build your knowledge step by step, everybody. You know? Okay, Christian says it's a bullish candlestick formation. Yes, so we have... Okay, so we are going to try to identify the next bullish candlestick formation in an uptrend. Okay, so the market is falling, right? And I'm going to widen the chart. Okay, not like this. Okay, everybody, should we enter? Is this a bullish candlestick formation? Henry, only been trading 2 months, so still trying to work it all out. Yes, great, Henry. Everybody, I know that you want to make money, okay? I've been there. But I'm telling you, unless you can prove to yourself, there are 2 metrics. Unless you can prove to yourself, metric number 1, that you can make consistent profits for 3 months with no losing months in between. It doesn't matter 0.5%, 1%, 5%, 20%. Unless you can make 3 months of profits, okay? And unless you can explain to somebody how are you winning and how are you losing, please demo trade. Don't, because you are going to lose. Okay? If you want to make money and put real, oh, but it's just $100. Well, give it to me. I'm going to make a big barbecue here in Brazil for your $100. You know, there are some rules, everybody, that the brokers are not telling you in order to make money in the forex market. But this comes later. The first steps, everybody, in your learning when you are forming a strategy is to be profitable minimum 3 months. No losing months in between. And you need to explain to me how are you winning, how are you losing. I mean, this is my style, this is my rule as a teacher, you know. Passion, where can I put real money? When you first are profitable for 3 months. Oh, but I'm profitable for 2 months. You need 1 more. Oh, it's 2 days to the end of the 3rd month. You need the 3 months. No exception to this rule. Okay, Henry and everybody else? Of course, you can do anything you want. I'm not your father, you know. But this is a suggestion. Akos says 3 months are not enough yet. Akos, yes, I'm not saying that you are going to be a professional trader, but in 3 months, if you are profitable, this at least means that you know what you are talking about. Akos, it takes years. Yes, of course. Of course. I agree with Akos. Yes, Miguel, of course. Everybody trading or being a professional trader, everybody, it's not different than being a surgeon, as it's Miguel, or being a professional athlete. You know? It takes time, of course. But some of you are want to jump in the market and you are opening the real accounts, you know, and you are burning the money, and you are listening to the teachers that are saying to you, no, don't demo trade, you know. On the demo account you don't have emotions. And you are listening to this kind of teachers and you are opening an account and you are burning your money, you know. Okay, Akos and Miguel are absolutely right, but I'm not talking about the professional level, you know. If you want to start small, step number 1, 3 months of consistent profits. What's your particular strategy, Henry? We need to talk about 2 hours to explain to you, but we're going to have a class about strategies, okay? Don't worry. Just remember that we have different personalities, Henry, and maybe my strategy is not going to help you. Okay, back to the lesson, everybody. So, who in here would enter? Okay, there is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. We are here to learn. Who in here would enter? Is this a bullish candlestick formation? Is this a bullish candlestick formation, everybody? Okay, I need to lower the time. So we are here. Is this a bullish candlestick for? Let me see if I can put an arrow here. Drawings. Okay, I have the arrow. Is this a bullish candlestick formation, everybody? Yep, understood. Thanks. Thank you, Henry. Akko says no. No entry. Okay. So the market is falling. One more. Okay, what about this one, everybody? Is this a bullish candlestick formation? What can you learn today, everybody? But we're going to talk more about tomorrow. You have some bullish candlestick formations that are formed with 3 candles, and you have some bullish candlestick formations that are formed with 2 or 1 candle. Okay? And you have, if you type in the Google search engine bullish or bearish candlestick formation, you're going to find pages with 10, 11, maybe 20 different candlestick formations. Okay? So the picture that I'm showing you, this is, in my opinion, those 5 are the most relevant. Okay? This is not a fact, it's just my opinion. Those 5 are the most relevant. But you're going to find another candlestick formation if you want. So everybody's saying no. Henry says yes it is. Which one, Henry? Which one? The bullish piercing line, the bullish tweezer bottom, the bullish engulfing candle, the bullish morning star. What do you think? It has long upper wick, not bullish yet, okay? So yes, this is not a bullish candlestick formation, everybody. The second from the right. So the bullish engulfing, no, not yet. It needs, the white candle needs to engulf the other. So if you want to, another vocabulary in English, maybe not the best one, the white candle must eat all the previous ones. So no, it's not. One more. Okay. What about now, everybody? Is this a bullish candlestick formation? The white one? Don't worry, Henry, we are here to learn. There are a lot of traders who are saying yes or no, but they don't, I mean, they're shy, you know. So be with us, type in the chat, stay with us, talk to us, okay? You are going to learn. Everybody, you can learn more if you chat and talk than when you watch the webinar, you know. No, indecision, I would say no, okay? We don't know, right? So when in doubt, you stay out, okay? Well, I would say that this white candle, it's maybe this one, the bullish shooting star, okay? And this is why I'm telling you that, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, you know, we will see. But maybe this white candle here is the bullish shooting star. I don't think so, not enough, okay. Okay, I don't know everybody, but what you need to understand is that the paper, the picture from the Google search, this is theory, okay? And when you are going to check the bullish and bearish candlestick formations, you need to understand that time to time, I don't know if this is the example we're going to see, time to time in the live market, the bullish candlestick formation that it's made from 2 candles or 3 candles, in theory, in the live market, maybe it's going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. Passion, can you repeat? Yes, sir. In the picture that you can find on the internet, the bullish candlestick formations are made from 2 candles or 3 candles or 4. But this is theory. In the live market, many times the bullish, you are going to, when you are going to trade and check the candlestick formations, you are going to want to see, oh, where is the one blue and one white, right? Where is the one blue and one white? And you are going to see this sequence and you are going to think, well, this white is maybe, you know, maybe yes, maybe not. We don't know. But you must understand that many times in the live market, the candlestick formations in theory are going to be made from 5, 6, 7 candles. Okay? Now, let's see what is going to happen. Okay, what about now? What about now? There is no right or wrong. Everybody, I'm with you. I don't know. Okay, I don't see the future. I just chose EuroCAD daily chart. Not yet. No. Okay, let's move to the next one. What about now? No. Next one. No. No clue. Okay, great. Next one. What about now? Everybody? MHB up, no. Doji bar, no clue, nope, not yet. Okay. Now, didn't this white body engulf all the previous bodies of the candle? Didn't this white body of the last candle engulf all the bodies from the left side? This looks better, yes. Next, not yet. Okay, everybody? Christian says yes. Okay, now what's the problem with this candle? Ako says no, it didn't engulf. Yes, it did. No, it didn't. Engulfing candlestick formation. Okay, so everybody, all of you are right. I'm going to explain you. Just give me a second to put the arrow. All of you are right. So, to the question, did the white body engulf the previous bodies? The answer is yes. But to the question, is this a bullish candlestick formation? Is this a bullish engulfing? The answer is no. Why is that? We don't have decision. Okay, so this white candle engulfed the previous bodies, but as you can see, it has an wick on the upside. What does this mean? This means that this white candle didn't make a decision. If this white body would be white to the top of the wick, then the answer would be yes, this is the bullish engulfing candle. But positioned like this, the answer is no. Okay? Okay, let's see next. Engulfing, you have wicks down. Yes, doesn't the wick indicate selling pressure? Yes, it does. Engulf but not fully without the wicks. Yes, sir. Next. What about now? Everybody, is this a bullish candlestick formation? And if you think yes, type in the chat. Which one? Is this a bullish shooting star? So what is the challenge? And it's normal in the beginning, and we are going to need some time. We need to decipher. I hope my English is correct. We need to decipher from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 candles. If you think that this is a candlestick formation, you need to decipher from these 11 candles what bullish candlestick formation it is. Maybe, you know, we don't know. Time to Shine says yes sir. MHB says no. Henry, based on what you said earlier about the week, I would say no. Okay. Anybody? Not clearly. There was a lot of selling pressure on the upside down. Morning Star. Morning Star. Vincent. Morning Star. Congratulations. Vincent, type in the chat what candlesticks are you referring to? So the first one is the blue one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Vincent, between the 11 and the first is on the left. So this is going to be the first. And the 11th is going to be on the right. Where do you see the bullish morning star? If the wick goes from up, down, it should not be a bullish candle. Miguel, this is what I'm trying to explain you. The picture is one, is theory. The live market behaves a little bit differently. Okay? Now, Vincent spot a morning star, and yes, there is a morning star. Romer says 8, 9, 10. Yes, sir. So, Romer, congratulations to you. Everybody, you have a morning star in here. Those 3 candles. And remember, today we are not going to talk about entering the market, you know. We are going to talk about this tomorrow and the next days. Today, we are just going to spot. Learn how to spot, you know, the bullish candlestick formation. Okay? So, there is no right or wrong. You say, oh, I would not agree. Yes, I agree, you know. There is no right or wrong, everybody. Okay? So, I would say, yes, this is the bullish morning star. And I would say also, everybody, that we have here, 1, 2, 3, the previous ones. We have the bullish shooting star, 1, 2, 3. Maybe not the perfect example. Okay. 1, 9, 11. Yes, also. 1, 9, 11. Why not? It could be 1, 9. So 1, 10. So 9 is crucial, right? A lot of you are seeing the 9. So this is number 9. There is a tool called Candlestick that you can put in the chart and see a big candlestick formation with various candlesticks. This tool is in the polyline column. Polyline column. Let me see. Drawings. Oh, candlesticks here. Oh, thank you, Zuelius, but I'm not going to use this. Okay. So everybody, you can see this is the bullish morning star. Maybe it was the bullish shooting star, right? Kings, Willis, can you connect? Yes, please connect, everybody. Nobody's perfect, and together we are stronger, believe me. So please connect with each other. Ask questions, you know, to each other. Oh, what is your style? How many times do you trade? Whatever, you know. Can we trade together? Can we analyze together? Everybody, you are from all over the world, so if you are from Asia, connect. If you are from Middle East, connect. If you are from Europe, connect. If you are from Brazil or USA, connect. Okay? It's a good idea. Now let's move on, everybody. Remember, today we are not talking about entries. It doesn't matter if the market goes up or down. Not yet. This is for the next lesson. Okay? And strangely the market went up, right? Vincent, wow. Okay, so the market's moving up. Okay, now everybody tell me one thing. We are almost at the end of the time. I had a goal today. My goal today, it was to show you that candlestick formations, in theory, I'm talking about the picture, they form differently in the live market. Can you see this, everybody? So it was the morning star bullish. Yes, sir. Henry, the answer is yes. I would say also we have the bullish shooting star on the left. Maybe not the perfect one, but this is what you need, everybody, to practice, 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 practice. Okay? Everybody, we're going to end the webinar for today. If you want the pictures, send me an email. Passion, send me the pictures, please. Okay? Otherwise, you can find these pictures on the internet. Until tomorrow, everybody, stay strong and trade with passion. This is FXPassion signing off.